I hope you've all had a great week. Welcome back to my channel. So I am at you guys with another Halloween tutorial, and this one is an easy Halloween tutorial that is latex free, so you don't need any like toilet tissue, latex, special paints or anything like that. It's going to be done all using makeup such as eyeliner and eyeshadow, and that is it. So it is super easy for you guys to achieve. I wanted to do like a talk through kind of in this video instead of a voiceover. I find that in all my Halloween tutorials I am doing voiceovers, and I just wanted to make it a little bit more personal and talk you guys through the steps. By the way, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out or if you're going to use this for Halloween, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. We are nearly on 45,000 subscribers, and that is so amazing, and the next milestone is 50,000, which is absolutely crazy to me. So please help me get there by tapping that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you can see my videos in your feed. By the way, this stitched cut is inspired by Mimils on Instagram. I absolutely love her work. I scrolled through her page, and like right down at the end was this amazing like stitch look that was done by paints. I am using makeup though, so I am doing a slightly different technique. I don't know if you can see that, but there is her creation. It looks so cool, and I just wanted to do it for myself. So the first thing I'm taking is the L'Oreal Paradise Cajal Ecstatic Eyeliner. This is so good for Halloween looks. As you can see, it's like big and white. And I'm just gonna map out where the stitch will be. I think I want it on this side because that's my good side. Okay, so that is the first step. I know it looks like a bit of a mess at the moment, but you just want to map out where you want your design to be. So I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Vivid Brights Coloured Liquid Liner in Vivid Fire. This is how it looks like. So I've got white paint all over mine. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in these little bits here with the red. Now you just want to connect up all the lines with your eyeliner. Actually going to take my MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Colour. It's the same lipstick I have on here. And I'm going to get a small Sigma eyeliner EO5 brush. I love this brush for very precise work, and then I'm actually going to go over the look, like the really big areas with this, because this is going to be really red. And I've got a little bit of black eyeliner on there already, so it's going to add to the effect. Okay, so now I'm taking my L'Oreal 24-Hour Super Liner, and this is a waterproof gel eyeliner, and I always use this for my looks. I use this for most of my Venom look that I uploaded last week, hence why the pot is like pretty empty. So I'm going to take a little bit of that on that same brush. So this is where we're going to add the depth into the look. So it's going to create shadow. So you don't want to surround the whole big area with black, you just want to do like one side. Okay, so now that you are done with that, I'm taking my Thin Lizzy Perfect Wing eyeliner. I used this in my Venom look last week. I absolutely love this eyeliner. This is so much better than your standard liquid liner because you can just keep drawing and the liquid will keep coming out, and you don't have to keep dipping the brush into the tube like a standard liquid liner. And the cool thing about this is that it has a stamp on this end, so like a winged liner stamp. Press it down and there's your winged liner. If you struggle to do winged liner, this will be really cool for you guys. And on this side you've got your precise eyeliner, which is pretty cool because you can be really thin or make your lines really thick. If you guys are wondering, you can use the code Alyshia30 on all Thin Lizzy products, so I will leave the Thin Lizzy website down below. Yeah, Alyshia30 will get you 30% off like the whole website, so you just put the code in at the end of your shopping cart and it will take 30% off your price. So if you want this amazing eyeliner, definitely go and check that out. So anyway, I'm going to use this precise eyeliner to draw up the sides of the red to just add some dimension. So now I'm taking my NYX Cosmetics White Liquid Liner, and I always use this for my SFX looks. I'm going to use this as a little highlight on some of these areas, so I'm actually glad I put the white eyeliner underneath because that's added like a little bit of a highlight, but I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that red eyeshadow and I'm going to go around the areas. So I'm going to take a tiniest bit of black eyeshadow from that BH Cosmetics palette and I'm going to stipple that on some areas like down here. Just for some more like depth, and it kind of almost looks bruised, but we don't want it to look bruised. You can take your beauty blender if you think it looks a bit too fake and you can kind of blend it out. This really helps to make it look more realistic if you don't have too much of harsh lines. This beauty blender is from Thin Lizzy, by the way, so if you are keen, like I said, Alyshia30 for 30% off their website, and they do ship worldwide, by the way. So yeah. I'm going to take a little bit more black and add it in these areas because I can see that would look good. So I'm taking my Thin Lizzy Perfect Wing eyeliner again, and I am going to draw on little staples. And this is where the look will start to look really realistic, so I hope you guys can see. And you just want to go really slow with this, you don't want to rush. So you want to draw like a little thin sausage. And on either side of that staple you want to do a dot, so it looks like it's piercing. Okay, now I'm going to draw dots around these, and this will make it look more realistic. Maybe I should like continue this up my face. Yeah, I'm thinking this will look cool. Okay, I'm deciding to go all the way up my face just because. So I'm putting a bit more black within the staple, but not like filling the whole gap, just putting it on the underside so it looks like a shadow. Now I'm taking that red liquid lipstick again, and I'm going to add some red dots like on the edge of some of the staples so it looks like it's really piercing the skin. Okay, so now I'm taking that NYX white liquid liner and I'm going to draw the white in between all these staples, and this will just finish off the whole look. Okay, I'm just going to draw a little string coming out from here. That seemed to symbolize like the needle thread coming out. So I hope you guys liked this stitched up easy Halloween tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And like I said in the intro, please leave me any Halloween recommendations down below. I'd love to hear them, and subscribe to my channel. You guys would be amazing. So I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.